Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhavesh Katoch, and I appeared for my IELTS exam this year in the month of February. And I started my preparation with Learning from 2019 December till the end of January of 2020. And I would like to share my experience with Learning. And I would really like to thank them as when I came across their website, the course really stood out to me considering the idea of a trial class. And that trial class really opened my eyes to the fact that this was the right place for me as they taught very specific things and to the point of all the sections that were speaking, listening, and writing. And it really highlighted my weaknesses and my strengths to me, and the way our teacher taught us with the small batch size of about 6 to 7 students. We were all given very individual and specific attention. That thing was only allowed because of the batch size, which is an extremely important thing when it comes to learning something like this. And when it comes to IELTS and English proficiency, I feel practice is the only way to go. And we were given very specific and really well made mock tests based on previous papers and similar questions to what we would get in an actual IELTS test, which put us on the spot. And throughout the period, we got to learn the do's and don'ts of all of it. And this really helped me figure out and pinpoint my mistakes and resolve them as I went on with the classes. And the timings were also very well structured as the speaking classes. We could decide a particular time when we were free, and ma'am would conveniently take a class at that point, which really made the schedule very flexible, which is a really good thing for a student or with someone with a family who has a busier lifestyle. And as an undergraduate myself, my entire focus was on IELTS for that time period, and pinning out my mistakes and resolving them with the help of Learning. Now, what stood out in with Learning for me was the course structure, which was very well divided. We were not only given education based on the 3 sections, but also basic grammar, and where we had to improve in that particular grammar, sentence formation, sentence writing, and this was all done with the idea of assignments with the exam in mind. And this really helped guide us in a very streamlined way, I would say, as it wasn't very haywire. And so this is what helped me and all the students I was with to not just learn from these courses, but also learn from each other. As we were a small batch size, nobody was afraid to text the other person, to ask for doubts, or even ask the teacher for doubts in the class, after the class. Even in the off hours, you could text the teacher and she would get back to you positively, which was a really comfortable thing in the mind of a student who would be nervous for such an exam. And I was in the same shoes, I would say, as I was pretty nervous considering the flaws that I had in speaking, especially. I was not the most proficient speaker, but throughout these mock tests, throughout the classes, and throughout the points that our teachers gave us, I would say it really structured speaking for me. Like I could structure my sentences much better. I was comfortable talking about random topics, thinking about them on the spot, and it just grew the spontaneity which I lacked at that point. And this was only through the structure of the questions that were provided to us. And any doubt, anything, ma'am would point out right there and then and tell us in the best manner possible. And it really helped streamline me towards where I had to go, where I needed to go. And I felt this change and this development and improvement come through every student who was there in that particular class. I myself experienced people getting better over and over throughout the classes, and it was really wholesome in terms of learning. And at the end of it, I would say it was extremely fulfilling, and it was comfortable, it was fulfilling, it was such a comprehensive learning environment, as you always knew what to do, what not to do. Any doubts were all given to you. Any doubts you had were all resolved. And I would say that when it comes to English, the only do is reading, listening, watching English shows. It might seem like a mild thing, but as you do it regularly with your friends, with your family, and make it a habit, I feel it comes naturally to the person. It starts to come naturally in a conversation. You learn new words as you read, as you listen, as you watch. And it seems like a very normal thing which people do nowadays, but trust me, you sometimes don't even realize that your proficiency and your knowledge in English is just increasing day by day when you engage in such content. So I would really recommend anyone who is planning to prepare for IELTS, or anyone who is planning to prepare for IELTS and start the IELTS journey and appear for the exam anytime soon. I really wish you all the best, and don't be scared at all. Just I would say just trust Learning with the way they teach, and I feel you're really good to go. Thank you so much.